Hello students, welcome back to our class. I hope you all understood the introduction what was given in the last class from Unit 2, A reading, Telangana, the pride of the people. Let us quickly recap what we have learnt yesterday. Here we were talking about two characters, father character and son character. Hari is playing the role of father and Kiran is playing the role of son. So here the son observes expressions on father's face while reading a newspaper. So out of curiosity, son starts asking, what happened father? There are many expressions on your face. Are you reading about something which is exciting you? Then father tells, yes son, I am reading about an article or the news which has come about the newly emerged state, the 29th state of our country, that is Telangana. Finally, the bifurcation of Andhra Pradesh is successfully done. And they will be talking about the agitations, the Telangana movement, our culture, our employment will be increased and our culture will get even more exposed and there will be more development now. Yes, so far we have completed up to this, and in today's lesson here there is a very important word they used, dialect. Dialect, D-I-A-L-E-C-T, dialect means Mandalikam in Telugu. See, Telugu is the common language in Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema and Telangana, but pronunciation of words, usage of words will be different in Telangana when compared with Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema. Yes, for clouds we can call Mabbulu. In Rayalaseema we call it as modem, and in Telangana we call it as what is that, Mogulu. Yes, so this is called dialect. Usage of words, usage of pronunciation is different from place to place, though we talk common language Telugu. So our dialect, that is Telangana dialect, also will get some kind of popularity now after the bifurcation. Yes, not only the Telugu dialect of our Telangana, but also our culture, our festivals will get some kind of exposure in this world. So already yesterday we have learnt about two most important festivals what we celebrate here. One is Bonalu and the second one is Bathukamma. Bathukamma is declared as our state festival or Telangana festival. So let us read the topic now in detail. What are the special festivals of our state that Kiran asked? We celebrate the main festivals as well as the regional festivals. Festivals like Bonalu, Bathukamma and Peerla Pandaga reflect our life, said Hari. Meanwhile, Hari saw Lakshmi coming. Now it's your mother's turn. She will let you know about our festivals. Hari said, because who can talk more about festivals? Because mother is the one who can speak more about festivals, because they will take 100% part in those festivals, right from cooking, cleaning to dressing up. Yes, so he said your mother is going to explain you more about our regional festivals. We celebrate our festivals with warmth and fervor. Bonalu, our state festival, is celebrated during Ashadam as thanksgiving to the goddess Mahankali for fulfilling our wishes. We prepare rice cooked with milk and jaggery, put in a ghatam, the decorated pot, and carry the pot in a procession singing songs. The feat culminates as the ghatams are offered to the local goddesses, said Lakshmi. So I need not explain much about Bonalu to you all, because you all actively take part in this Bonalu. Yes, you can see women, girls carrying those Bonalu on their head. What will be there on their head? There will be a pot which is beautifully decorated. Yes, and what will be there in that? They put rice mixed with jaggery, and this is a Thanksgiving festival. How can we thank a person? We give a gift to them, or we give a packet full of sweets to them as a gratitude, to show our gratitude. So here also we thank Goddess for protecting us and giving us all the things what we need. So how are we thanking Goddess? By offering this food to her. That's why Bonalu is considered as Thanksgiving festival. Okay. Indu, Kiran's sister, joined them and said, yes, last Tuesday we saw the jubilant procession. So people will be moving in groups and groups. And in Telugu we call it Jatara. We will have Jatara also. A fair will be conducted in this Ashadam season, and this is the right time. This is the right month to know all about Bonalu festival, but unfortunately our world is suffering with corona, so we will not have that much of festive mode in this month. But definitely by next academic year, this month you observe and recollect this lesson, you will know more and more about Bonalu festival. Indu asked, Mum, what about Bathukamma? So Bathukamma is also equally important. Bathukamma festival is celebrated as part of Dashara. The festival has historical and religious significance. Yes, every festival will have its own significance and every festival will have a history. We are not just like that celebrating a festival. There is a proper reason for celebrating each and every occasion. Do we just like that celebrate birthdays just like that? Do we cut cake? No. Only on our birthday we cut cake. The same way, to remember or recollect the history, the glorious history of our country or our state, we celebrate such festivals. The same way, Dashara also. Women carry Bathukammas beautifully stacked with Tangedu, Gunugu and Chamanti flowers to the meeting points. Everybody knows Bathukamma, and every house there will be one or two Bathukammas prepared every year. So I need not tell you all what all things we need, even though here they have told we use Tangedu Puvu, Gunugu Puvu and Chamanti flowers for decorating these Bathukammas. And making circles around Bathukamma, women folk sing songs related to our culture. Later, the Bathukamma are taken to the local tanks and streams to be immersed. Lakshmi explained. So, I hope you all understood the importance of two festivals, how we celebrate. We learnt about Bonalu and we also learnt about Bathukamma festival. So, in tomorrow's class, we will be learning little more about Muharram or Pirla Pandaga, and tomorrow we are going to wind up with our, in the next class we will be winding up with our topic. That's all for today, and I want you all to discuss with your parents about last year's Bathukamma festival and Bonalu festival, how you have enjoyed and how your mother prepared this Bathukamma and Bonalu. That's all for today. Let's catch up in the next session. Thank you.